Okay, turbine start up.
So that's the little jet at the moment, and we come up here.
You'll notice it's very quiet. So at the moment you see the little orange lights on, so it's running a bit slow, and it'll gradually speed up. You can see the little light here flashing to open the nozzle, flashing again, speeding up. That's it, it's connected. See up there, and then if we can look carefully at the screen, we can see it's ramping up. So ramping up, and look down here, you can see
The jet is now increased considerably in size, but you can see the centre part of the needle valve, the spear valve, is still quite far forward, so it's got quite a way to open yet.
That's up to 6 kilowatt now. Now you can see the second actuator starting to open now here. So it's tipping about 8 kilowatts now. There we go. It's about 12 kilowatts at the moment. And if we have a look here, we can see that the head is at 437 millimeters, around 440 millimeters, which is about 5 millimeters below the target level. So that's probably about our max at the moment. I'm just scrolling through the displays. That's the voltage, no trips, and there we go. So we'll settle down somewhere between 11 and 12 kilowatts. That's your lot.